Yo guys, welcome to TSO Crypto, your home for crypto. Yeah, I am your host Martin, and today we're gonna be looking at same stuff we've been looking at, crypto new targets. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. You know what to do. All those cool little fun things y'all can do for someone. When you enjoy the stream, what is up, people? How's it going? Bring facts. What's up, dude? Andrew, what's up, dude? Finally got OBS to work like about an hour ago. I was struggling with it all weekend. I uninstalled, reinstalled. It was a nightmare to get this thing to work again. It kept on crashing as soon as I tried to load the open broadcasting software, so the OBS. And I was figuring out how it's gonna come live. If you would have asked me like an hour before the stream, I was about to say, yo, we're just gonna stream on Discord. That's it. Like, I can't get this thing to work. It was the weirdest thing ever. I'm not sure why, even though I reinstalled it a couple times and updated drivers. I did everything that I could have thought of to like get it to work. I deleted a folder, I deleted some plugins, and apparently I kind of got it to work. After I deleted it again and bring it back on, and then I had to recreate the scenes. That's why there's no like be right back stream. There's no counter on the intro because I just basically got like a Frankenstein everything back together. Everything got deleted, so it was like no scenes. I was trying to remember like what the order of certain things were, but we got it, and well, that's that. And with all that said, let's get rolling and see what's happening with crypto. So, a couple things. Talked about the breakout, right? Talked about the movement. We're getting it. We said we're gonna move up on the inverse head and shoulders. We're targeting the upper portion of the channel. We're breaking it, and we're breaking it quite easy. That leads me to two ways of looking at this. One, for the head and shoulders, we should have maybe considered the wicks. If that is the case, we still have room to go upwards, very close to the 2.65, right? I think that's where we're going to be hitting. That would look basically something like this. It was just an adjustment here on what we had. So that would basically come up here to the upper portion. That would hit this second wick here. So wick from here, and then the measure move would basically have to come all the way from the wick down here. And then just go all the way to the breakout there, and then go where we broke out, which was here. And as you can tell, well, yeah, that's a very, very spot on hit almost. Let's go where we broke out. There we go. That's close enough. So yeah, 2.65. That's our target. That's where we're probably heading to. That is pretty cool. Once we get up there, Bitcoin could be definitely bypassing or very close to the previous new all-time high bit, right? The 72K zone. So with that, that's what's in store for us. Hey, cool. B, any kind of retrace we want to do for fibs, we're kind of like hitting, right? So we go from here to here. You know, we're retracing, hitting that 786, getting that rejection there. If we manage to recover that, next target's gonna be 100%, which again happens to be very close to 2.6 trillion, 2.65 trillion, right? So that's what we're looking for on market cap. Now let's go check out how that happens to play out in Bitcoin, right? And just waiting for this to load. Here we go. So if we look at Bitcoin, right, we're looking at the move that goes the same. So we're looking for the break, got above that 69,000 zone, and very much heading to the 72,903, right? So how this plays out is we draw that neckline the same way, right, by going from wick to wick, and then I'm just gonna adjust for like volatility and use the larger portion there and go from there to there. Close enough. And if we go up, we're looking at all-time high, right? All-time high, yep, potentially all-time high if we get where we're supposed to go. We're still even looking for a hit of 73,756, right? Potentially slightly higher than that. That's where we could be going. Pretty good. That means the crypto bull run could be going on. However, we're not out of the woods, right? Because if we go up to that level, you know what we're starting to make, right? We're starting to make something that's going to look like a did. 1, 2, right? We got to watch for potential double top forming. So when we do get above that zone, we want to keep going. We don't want to turn around near that area. We don't want to hit and reject and move down, because that's going to put us in a place where we could be looking for a double top forming. Right? That's a bearish pattern. That means the run's over. Pack your bags. We're looking for a movement down. We don't want to see that. What's up, Jason? So we definitely want to see Bitcoin pumping and going past that zone. Once we get here to the 74,000s, we definitely want to keep on going higher, right? Going higher with strength and like that. So it's going to be good. But that's it for it here. So let's zoom in, see what else is happening as far as crypto is related and concerned. And a couple things. Now we're going to check for divergence. All right. Slightly lower still, right? On positive momentum. So nothing bearish. Lower on the other side, nothing bearish. Good. We can still run. Nothing putting pressure above, right? Yeah, me too, man. Me too. I'm still hoping we squeeze more of the upside. I'm happy. Ethereum kind of finally woke up. So good. On the 4-hour, we had some bearishness last we looked at it, and we did move down to support right at 64,000s. Then we're trying to, and we're flirting with this zone. I think when last we were here, I'm not sure if we were here on Friday. We weren't here on Friday. I can stream. So we managed to go back up above 66,994, and then above finally broke it. Came back down, used support at 69,000 right now. Again, targeting the 73K zone, right? That is the target. Now, as we are moving higher, right, and as we are coming onto this new high, we are starting to develop the bearish divergence, and that's going to be interesting. And I'm mentioning it not in a, like, you know, oh crap, interesting way, but in a really interesting way. For some reason, it's not letting me like edit that. So, okay. Why is it not allowing me to edit that line? I want to make sure this line doesn't go anywhere else except here. And it's not letting me do it. Weird. All right, let's refresh the site. Yeah, reload it. There we go. It just took forever. As soon as I hit reload, it finally opened up the like tool to like actually anchor it to time. That sucks. Okay. And I'm getting like the weirdest thing ever, dude. Like this thing here is telling me you're not receiving enough bit rate to maintain stream again. Right? But when I look at this here, it was like, bro, you're sending like 10K, like 9.8. Like 6 is what you need. So I'm sending more than I need. And they're telling me like, oh, we're not getting enough. And apparently my internet, it could be my internet. Seems that I'm crapping out a bit here. Not loading this. So might be that my internet's out. Has been. I mean, I got no clue why I'm having this issue for reals. Like the weirdest shit ever. And I fucking hate this. What is this thing? Speed test. Can't believe I'm gonna have to run a speed test again. I mean, I shouldn't be having this issue. I'm sending up more than enough data. And for some reason, this site's not loading, and it's just the weirdest thing ever. Oh yeah, there's a problem with the internet for sure, man. That's fucking bullshit. I should be getting like a lot more than that, like 200, and I'm getting like 21. Like heavy throttle, dude. I'm not sure why, but that's how I'm having issues with loading stuff. Yeah, sorry about that. Like my internet went like crap. Look at that, dude. Like that's what I'm getting. Like 2.1, 8.9. It just sucks. I'm not sure why that is. I'm checking to see if there's problems with the internet. And yep. A lot of fucking problems being reported. Yay for the freaking internet, man. It's just sucking majorly. 6-7 people percent without signal. Okay. So people, that's probably why we're crapping out right now and struggling. So I'm gonna try to keep it as tight as I can, because this is not good. For some reason my internet's not being really, really good. All right. I wanted to draw something on the 4 hour. Hopefully try to stay and bear with me as I do this on Bitcoin 4 hour. Yeah, that's very low, dude. I'm like 10 times lower than what I should be on the upload. Sorry, the download, and like, let's see, what was the speed? Like at least 6 times or 7 times lower than I should be on the upload. It's just really not good, man. Really, really not good. All right, let's do this. All right, so I was gonna draw something here, which didn't even save because the internet was so crap. It was not letting me do anything. Come on. Ha! I can't believe this. It's stuck again. All right, there we go. There we go. It's just internet's so fucking crappy, dude. Pardon my French, guys. It's just annoying when I'm trying to stream and the internet craps out. It was good all day. Just right now, it's like going down. It's like stupid insane. Nothing against the RSI, just against the MACD. Bearish divergence strong, potentially building. If we keep on climbing, we keep making, you know, positive momentum, we're gonna be doing good, right? We could be doing good. We just need to, you know, keep climbing, and then as soon as we go slightly higher, then this positive momentum, right? We're definitely going to be getting rid of this strong bearish, right? But for now, strong bearish divergence, that's to yesterday, right? Because that's to the candle that we had here. But again, if we continue building that positive momentum, that's going to die out. Should allow us to go higher and potentially be targeting again highs, right? All-time highs. All-time highs. Let's go to the 1 hour. I think Bitcoin's going to top at 60% dominance. Honestly, dude, I stopped looking at Bitcoin dominance. Like, I found it no longer correlates as strong as it used to price. So I stopped looking at it. So where are we at here? We're starting to develop some bearish divergence against the RSI. That's it. Strong bearish, short term, like 4 hours or so. That's it. That's all it's starting to do. Besides that, we really just don't have anything else that is bearish, right? So that's the move. It comes from here, and again, we're starting to stagnate, creating that flag formation. We could still go for the next movement up from here, right? We could still go and rally from the zone. So again, not 100% out, but could be interesting, could be good, right? So with that, let's check out Ethereum, right? Again, I'm just keeping it super short. Not because I want to, just because the internet's not really good. And I'm really struggling with this, dude. Like, the internet is like, look at this. It's like not even going now. It's like a 3. That's like the dumbest thing ever. Like, they're definitely going down or something. Like half of what I had earlier. The upload's kind of stable. Right, like 8.99. So the problem is the download, and the upload's also not fully there. So I'm not sure why that is. I'm probably just gonna end up with like dollar index after Ethereum, because even if I click on the daily, it's just not changing, because I just don't have enough speed for like a website to open, which is like the dumbest thing ever. All right, here we go. Higher, more positive momentum, higher on the other side. Nothing bearish. Massive spike on Ethereum, right? 19%. Why are we getting that? Because Ethereum was lagging. You remember when I told you Ethereum was lagging back here on the move, and we were waiting for Ethereum to just take off, and it was probably going to go either as soon as Bitcoin did and had a strong move. Look at that, 19% gains. That is stupid insane, dude. Don't you wish you would have bought Ethereum yesterday and gotten like 20% return on your investment like that? That's like the coolest move ever, man. Look at that, 20% in like a day. Very, very strong. Okay, so from there, we could still be looking for more action to the upside still if Bitcoin keeps playing. We're on a lot of supports. That's pretty good. A lot of resistances. Finding a support right now at 3,642. From there, nothing bearish. 4-hour chart. I'm expecting we're going to see something similar. It just went extremely fast, extremely high. So the last, 8 hours or so, just like boom, right? Shot up really fast. So very good. Again, nothing bearish. Let's go to the 1 hour. And I doubt we're going to see something here because the move just seems to be very, very strong. If anything, we're starting to come to this small plateau. And the only thing I noticed is that we're developing some bearish divergence here on the 1. And that goes from there. And then that's just like very tiny, is like that, right? So bearish divergence, strong potential for actual downside. If we do go down, support it's 3,655. Right now, I would be saying watch out for a pullback because Bitcoin just had a strong movement up. Okay. Technical wise, we're not finding anything that is super bearish. Yeah, strong bearish, but it's on a very short term move. Again, a lot of support, 3,655, 3,642, right? Similar to the supports we talked about Bitcoin. If we do move down, again, it's going to be something very similar. You get some pullback on this insane rally we just got, but Ethereum has to flag. Bitcoin has to flag a little bit. If we consolidate these levels, we're definitely going to flag. This upslope consolidation, not good, right? You should tend to break the downside, so we don't want that. But with that said, let's go look at the dollar index. I'm thinking the dollar took a dive, and I'm almost sure because we're at 104 on the dollar index. That would seem to kind of match some of the sentiment that we're seeing. It seems like some sideways in this, to be honest, but we'll see here real fast. And again, as soon as this loads. All right, so slight move up on the dollar. Interesting, because Bitcoin really, really shot up. So that shouldn't have been the case. All right. So pleasantly surprised to see the dollar still going up, although Bitcoin is definitely going up much, much stronger. And again, we usually tend to see a move where if the dollar goes up, Bitcoin goes down. If the dollar goes down, Bitcoin goes up. Kind of like opposites. Today, not the case. Dollar was green, Bitcoin's green. That's some good strengthening overall, dollar and Bitcoin. All right, as far as that's concerned. So good old stuff. All right. I hope I'm still sending enough data here for the stream. I have no clue even if this is live anymore, because apparently everything's crashing, like nothing's loading now. So with that, guys, I'm just gonna call it a stream again. I really wish I could have stayed longer. I'm not sure why the internet's really slow right now. It's like the only thing I'm doing, like the music's like preloaded onto a playlist. So that's not eating up any data. The only thing I'm doing is just running the stream. And like right now, I try to load this side. It's not even loading anymore. It's not going. So definitely something's wrong with the internet. I'm going to be calling it a stream, guys. I'll come tomorrow again to talk crypto. Like it now actually even gave me an error. It's like it like error. So like you couldn't even do the download test, which is like weird. But that's it for tonight. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Crypto, guys. I'm sorry about that. Again, just been dealing with like your problems one after the other. But oh man, hopefully internet's gonna be better tomorrow. I'm not sure why we're having this issue. I'm gonna have to talk to the telecom company, ISP, see what's going on. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Crypto, guys. Until then,